Can you tell me about chemical displacement?
Okay, friend. Friends, take a 200 ml clean beaker. With a spatula, add little amount of copper sulphate. Now take the water bottle and add little quantity of water to the beaker. With a stirrer, stir the content in the beaker to make the copper sulphate solution. Observe friends, the color of the solution is blue, right? Now take the nail and place it in the copper sulphate solution. Friends, it is a slow reaction, so it takes long time to complete. After half an hour, a red deposit is formed on the iron nail, isn't it? The blue color of the solution is turned to light green.
The changes we observe here are red deposition on the iron nail and formation light green color solution. These changes due to copper in the copper sulphate is displaced by iron that forms ferrous sulphate. This turns the solution to light green. The displaced copper is deposited on the iron nail. This forms the red color on nail.